we're on another adventure today. Last week we rode along a very popular bike route that went along the base of the Ko'olau mountain range. We're going to stay on that route, but we're heading down towards the beach. So bring your sand shovels and sand buckets. We're going beaching. Well, we're back on Kalani'aole Highway. And we are going north again. Commencing with our circle. And it's a Monday, it's a little busy here. I think we can get off into this bike lane. There we go. And we have a lot of horse ranches to our left. And the reason there's so many is that there's the polo grounds behind it. We'll get another view of that in just a little bit. So this to the right of us is called, you're not going to believe it, it's called Sherwood Forest. And it's just a thick Halikoa is what the name of these plants are. Well, about 20 years ago, they decided that there was too much crime going on in this thicket, these woods here. So they decided to put a road in the middle of it and go down to the end and clear out all the shrubbery and put a beach park. What a great thing. So while this is your first time, this will be my first time going down here. Wow. Now this is a nice beach park. A nice beach park. I see a path. Let's go ride that path. Do some exploring. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is exactly where it ended. That's the road there. And houses. I can't believe they cleaned this much up. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow, this is all thick trees and bush. They cleared it all out, all along the shoreline. Wow, cool. All right, let's get that drone up.
I'm a little coconut in a coconut tree, swinging all day long in the tropical breeze, hanging with my boy, sometimes we're dancing hula. One day I was swinging in a coconut tree, along came a wind and I fell into the sea. It was the ocean, I was surfing and sweating. I knew I was drifting to the land of LA, where ripe young coconuts usually play. Then I landed on a beach at this big hotel, and there were women, girls in bikinis. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Well, I'm a little coconut, I couldn't do much, so I worked on my tan till it was time for lunch. Then along came a girl, she had the smell of pink hockey. She dusted me off, stuck me in her backpack. We took to her room, and this little grass shack. Was this Hollywood? Was I in a movie? So I sat there impatient on the 25th floor. The tourists were cooking down on the
Well, that was Sherwood Forest. The new improved, I like it. Oh my gosh. Like, the whole area has been all remodeled or redeveloped. So we're back on, yeah, that's right, Kalanana Highway. Anyway, so this is where they keep all the horses. And there's the polo grounds, polo field, polo pitch. I don't know. What do you guys think over there? You guys okay? Nice in the shade? What a deal. That's pretty cool. We got to see inside the polo grounds.
I'm a little coconut and falling far. I guess I wasn't gonna be the rock and roll star, 'cause now I'm coconut pudding. So when you're at the luau, eat a pokey and pork.
Bellows Air Force Base, Marine Corps training area. So we're gonna give it a try. Back in my teen years, again, we wanted to find a place to go body surfing. And let's say that Mauka or Sandy were not breaking very well. So you could come here and get a decent shore break. It wasn't big, but it was fun. And it was a nice beach that was maintained and controlled by the military. But they gave us public access. Huh. And now we've got a forest of ironwood trees. And that blue stuff is called the ocean, Pacific Ocean. And I used to have a bike trail that went off to the right there. And that hooks up to Sherwood Forest.
Hanging with my boy, sometimes we're dancing. One day I was swinging in a coconut tree. Along came a wind and I fell.
And so this is a public campground, a public beach. And there's camping here. And boy, did we do a lot of camping when we had young kids. Good for boogie boarding, body boarding, paddle boarding, maybe even surfing.
And there were women, girls with bikinis.
This is one of our favorite campgrounds right here. Well, since camping was only on the weekends, this was a Monday, I figured I'd go hang out at the beach, check it out, see what's going on.
She had to smell a big cocky.
Whoa, check these guys out. They were cruising on the beach. Huh, cool, man. Shaka, bro. How's it? Well, you never know what you're going to see on the beach in Hawaii, huh? Well, I'm going to stop by the beach and take some videos. Well, those were the Mokolua Islands off of Lanikai there. And there's Rabbit Island and Makapu'u Point. Cool, man. Wow, this is a cool road. I mean, there's hardly any traffic today. I think I'll stop by and ask this guy for a little more directions and see what's going on. Let's explore, man. Let's check it out. Well, you might notice I'm leaving Bellows Air Force Base. Unbeknownst to me, they're closed. They're actually having training on the beach. Well, I haven't been to Bellows in a long time, but I thought it was during the week, no camping. Well, it's no hanging at the beach either. Wow, bummers, man. Yeah, I'm going. Well, that's right. We're back in Kalanana Highway. Thank you, Bellows. Catch you next time. All right. We have a big hill to climb. Before that, we have a nice little town we're going to go through, Waimanalo. Well, if you look over the left there, you can see the Ko'olau mountain range, and that's that bike route that we went on last week. And you can see why they go that route. This road we're on right now, a little too busy. We got traffic lights. Yeah, Waimanalo is a small little town, very community minded. And oh, there comes our bike lane again. Thank you very much. All right. Horsey, hello Horsey.
I'm a little coconut and falling apart. I guess I wasn't gonna be the rock and roll star, 'cause
now we're heading back towards Kailua.
So when you're at the luau, eat a koki and pour. Will you remember this coconut boy? You really know when I might see you. Me and my sugar, we're sweet how be.
And here's a long uphill. I will add a little assist to this because my knees are starting to ache. Over on the right we have Olomana Golf Course. I've played a couple rounds there many years ago. And before that, long time ago, when I was a kid, they had a place called Saddle City. You local Kama'aina can remember that. And that was a place where they had an old western town, and they would do reenactments. They had horseback riding, and oh, it was pretty cool. Now across the street here on the left-hand side, we have a stable, and they actually hold rodeos once a year. All right. You guys get off and push while I concentrate on getting up this hill. Oh. Well, that's where we finished our old Kalani'anele Highway Road. You remember the ride with the drone? That was fun.
Till it was time for lunch, then along came a girl. She had the smell of peacocky. She touched me, I stuck me in her backpack. We took to her room in this little grass shack. Was this Hollywood? Was I in a movie? So I sat there impatient on the 25th floor. Tourists were cooking out on the sandy shore.
Blue ocean. I promise you, one of our rides will take us to that blue ocean. I hope you can see some of that. When I used to ride here, these trees weren't that tall. So you remember Mount Olomana on the left. Well, further back in the background on the Ko'olau mountain range is the Puli, and that high peak is around 3,000 feet. We're going to go check that out in a future episode. Well, we're back home after a great 4 episodes of riding. This was our Makai to Mauka tour, and that we started at sea level in Kailua, then explored Mount Olomana, then the Ko'olau mountain range, and then headed down to the Waimanalo beaches. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed it. We sure enjoyed filming. And thanks for subscribing too. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that button. Tell your friends about it. We're doing a lot more tours. The Hawaiian trike tours. So you guys be good. Have a great week. See you on the next episode. Aloha.
Sweet, sweet, sweet Hawaii. Sweet, sweet, sweet Hawaii.